Hi friends, let me show you these new solar outdoor LED wall lights that I received for reviewing purposes. These are great because they are solar lamps, so you don't have to hardwire them. So easy. You get your user manual. You just have to hang them with an easy screw hole, like that. You can reinforce them in the bottom. You get this holding guide. It matches the holes that you need to do in the wall. So you just have to sign the wall with this one. You even get the screws and everything to install them. And you get a remote control for each of them, okay? They have 7 different cycles. You will see that when we install them. And you can control everything with a remote control. You get 2 remotes, one for each lamp. So let's install them and show you in the night how beautiful they look. Let me show you with the remote. You can turn them on and off with the remote control. And you can play with different modes, okay? Like that. They have different cycles, different kind of light movement. So they will make a nice amusement light in your home, in your patio, in an aisle, in your parking space, whatever you want, some lights, and they will recharge with the sun. No wires are required. So let's install them. Thank you.
As you can see, the lamps are already working because it's dark now, it's night. And you can see they are in a drop-down cycle. We can change the cycles here. We can turn them off. Okay. And we can turn them on. Okay. We can change the pattern. And they will keep working until the battery runs out. Dusk to dawn, okay? You can have one pattern cycling all the time or different patterns working. Perfect. Very nice lamps. They are working on sunlight energy and they give a nice touch to any part in your home. Thank you.